Harsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com. In this video, we are going to learn about algebraic expressions. And in algebraic expressions, we are going to discuss about introduction of algebraic expression, that how to introduce them, and the terms of an expression. But before moving to our today's topic, we'll try a warm-up question. Here is a question for you. To try this warm-up question, you can pause the video. So as you can see that in question number 1, you need to find out of these which are letters and which are numbers. So C, A and B are the letters, 4 and 6 are the numbers. Now we move ahead with our topic, which is about algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression is divided into two parts, which is about variable and constant. So the variables are those which can take any values. So we can say the variable could be any letter or any symbol as well, like this. And the constant are the fixed values, that is like 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, because they seems that 5 means 5, whereas here A means A can take any value. So that is why we call letters as variables and constant are the fixed values. So the combination of variables and constant gives us an algebraic expression. Now we learn about a term. So a term is a product of factors. Say 4xy is a term, and 4xy is 4 times x cross y. And if we add the 7 here and add the 7 here, we get the value as 4xy plus 7. So the factors containing variables are said to be algebraic factors. So all those factors that contains variables, like here, they are algebraic factors. Now we move ahead and we are going to learn how expressions are formed. And first of all, we are going to learn how x square is formed. So if you remember, 2 square means 2 cross 2. Similarly, x square means x cross x. Now what about 5y square? So this is 5 cross y square, which is equals to 5 cross y cross y. Now about this one, so this is going to be 4 cross x cross y, add the 7. Now if we times this and then we add the 7, we get the value, which is 4xy plus 7. Now we move ahead and we are going to learn about coefficient. So an algebraic expression is formed by a constant term, say the constant term is 2, and multiplied by algebraic or variable term, say the variable is y. So this is 2 cross y. So this value, which is a constant term, this is called the coefficient of the term. So if 2y is the term, we said 2 is the coefficient and y is the variable. So if anybody asks you that in 5xy plus 7y, we can say that 5 is the coefficient of xy, 7 is the coefficient of p. Now if we look at coefficient in more general way, which is about 5xy, so we can say that 5 is the coefficient of xy, or x is the coefficient of 5y, because if we times these both, we get 5xy, and also we can say y is the coefficient of 5x. So thus in more general way, coefficient can be numeric, algebraic, or a product of both. Now we move ahead and here is an example for you. So in this example, you need to identify the non-constant terms, which is, and we can make a table like this. Here's the expression, here are terms which are not constant, and then we find the coefficient of it. So if the expression is ab plus 4, so the term which is non-constant is ab. So as we can see that in expression, AB has no coefficient. So if there is no number mentioned here, so we can say the coefficient is 1. Similarly, the next is y and the y square are non-constant terms. So the coefficient of y is going to be 1 and the coefficient of y square is going to be 5. The next is 9pq square minus 11p square q minus 1. So the terms which are not constant are pq square and p square q. So the coefficient of pq square is 9 and the coefficient of p square q is minus 11. Now we move ahead, and here are some practice questions for you. To try these practice questions, you can pause the video. And now here you can match the answers from here, and I must say that you should pat your back as you're working really well in understanding the terms and the coefficients. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.